Over the last 6 years, we've developed a new type of technology. It works like a magical looking glass. By controlling the direction of millions of rays of light, what you see through it becomes as real as the world around you. This is the Looking Glass Portrait, your first personal holographic display. The Looking Glass Portrait generates dozens of perspectives simultaneously. This results in a three-dimensional hologram that floats out of the display, viewable by multiple people. No headsets required.
I'm Sean Frayne, and I'm part of the team that created the world's first holographic display back in 2018. And it's all been leading up to this. This is a memory machine, and it's a tool for holographic exploration, and it's a new canvas for 3D creators, all wrapped into one device. This is the Looking Glass Portrait, and it's your first personal holographic display.
"3D printing technology has slowly changed our lives. We have been thinking about how to innovate and make 3D printers realize more possibilities. Now, AtomStack brings the world's first rubber 3D printer Cambrian series after 3 years of thinking and polishing. It finally achieved the printing of high-performance rubber materials with a minimum hardness of 60A to 70A. Silent circuit design, hitting wiring harness, new hotbed glass coating, 4.3-inch capacitive touchscreen. All this just to make the 3D printing experience better. Import the material, adjust the support, and start printing. With Cambrian, you can finally freely express your creativity. You can design a shoe sole, then stick it onto your shoe, wear it to wherever you want to go, without having to pay high sole mold fees. Of course, you can also design a pair of integrated 3D printed shoes, which can withstand more than 100,000 twists and turns. You can even have your own shoe factory and use Cambrian to produce the shoes you design. Each pair of shoes costs only $10. To meet different printing needs, we have launched 2 different sizes of machines at the same time. Even for sport shoes of size 46, it can be printed with ease. Cambrian can easily print all kinds of rubber product, such as a pair of unique sandals, a high elastic ball, or a wallet. Or you can even try adult toys. The Cambrian printer is made of aluminum alloy, and an all-metal protective oxide layer is obtained through anodizing process. In order to print highly elastic rubber products, AtomStack has exclusively designed a 2.85 filament printer head, which can guarantee the best accuracy and stability under the condition of effective shaping. When you want to print other materials, you can change to a 1.75 filament printer head, the near-end feed print head based on PLA and ABS industrial standards. also allows you to connect to other 3D printers when printing common materials. In addition, we have also developed various rubber 3D printing materials with different colors and different hardnesses with high resilience. We have the only 3D printing materials in the world that can achieve a 50% resilience rate. As a revolutionary product, the Cambrian series truly unleashes all the potential of 3D printers. As long as you have room for imagination, it will bring you greater creative space and commercial value. Now, we sincerely invite you to enjoy the technological innovation brought to you by the Cambrian series. We will be waiting for you on Kickstarter.
おはよ
おはよ
う。おお、偉いね。はじめまして。
う。はい。
よろしくお願いします。
お願いします。
わーい、いい子だね。ニコボ、疲れた？わ、びっくりした？
びっくりした。
ごめんね、ごめん。怒んないで。ニコボ、ごめんね。ニコボ、ぷい。ごめん。
はい。ありがとう。
あ、こちらこそ。